Welcome to Schmidt & Clark Law Firm, steadfast in helping individuals and families since 1992. Today, we delve into a pressing legal battle, the Old Spice talc lawsuit. Our lawyers are currently reviewing potential product liability lawsuits on behalf of individuals who were diagnosed with mesothelioma or other forms of cancer after being exposed to asbestos-contaminated talc in Old Spice talcum powder. According to PR Newswire, in October 2016, a Los Angeles jury returned an $18.7 million verdict against longtime talc supplier Whittaker Clark Daniels in a lawsuit filed by California political figure Philip DePoyan. DePoyan claims he developed mesothelioma due to asbestos exposure at a barber shop where his father worked and through his use of products including Old Spice, Clubman, King's Men, and Men & Shave talc. The jury verdict is the largest award on record for individual lawsuits filed over asbestos in talc. According to asbestos.com, in April 2021, a jury in Los Angeles, California, awarded $4.8 million to a man with mesothelioma who used Old Spice for more than 20 years. The lawsuit was filed by Willie M., a 78-year-old Vietnam War veteran, grandfather, and retired school bus driver who used Old Spice talc powder every day for 22 years. The plaintiff was diagnosed with cancer in 2017, malignant pleural mesothelioma, which is strongly associated with asbestos exposure. Lawyers presented evidence that Old Spice talc powder contained talc from a mine in North Carolina that is known to be contaminated with asbestos. On April 15, 2021, the jury awarded him $1.8 million in compensation for his injuries, pain and suffering, and other damages, plus $3 million in punitive damages against Whittaker Clark Daniels for selling talcum powder. More than 24 studies going back decades have identified links between the use of baby powder and cancer. As claimed by a case-controlled study published in the journal Cancer, women who regularly used talc-based baby powder, either as a dusting powder on the perineum or on sanitary napkins, were 1.92 times 92% more likely to develop ovary cancer. According to a study published in the American Journal of Epidemiology PDF, it was found that women with a history of perineal dusting with genital talc were 1.6 times 60% more likely to develop cancerous tumors. As stated in a meta-analysis published in the Journal of Epidemiology and Community Health, which pooled together more than 20 studies, a 35% increase in the risk of ovarian cancer diagnosis was found in women who used talc powder. Willie McNeil Jr. was awarded $4.8 million in damages by a California Superior Court due to asbestos-contaminated talc in Old Spice powder, causing his malignant pleural mesothelioma. The talc supplier, Whittaker Clark Daniels, was ordered to pay both compensatory and punitive damages. This case reflects a growing trend of non-occupational asbestos exposure lawsuits, especially involving talc, with a notable rise in such cases reported in recent years. Johnson & Johnson, facing over 250,000 related lawsuits, has set aside nearly $4 billion for litigation. A study published in the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine in 2019 provides some of the strongest proof yet that exposure to asbestos-tainted talcum powder may cause malignant mesothelioma. For the study, a research team led by Jacqueline Moline, a professor of occupational medicine, epidemiology, and prevention at the Feinstein Institutes for Medical Research at Northwell Health, presented detailed cases involving 33 individuals, predominantly women, who were conclusively diagnosed with malignant mesothelioma. These cases underline a harrowing reality: the hidden dangers in everyday products. Asbestos, a known carcinogen, lurked in these powders, unbeknownst to the trusting consumers. At Schmidt & Clark, we stand at the forefront of this legal crusade. Our commitment is unwavering to seek justice and fair compensation for those unwittingly harmed. If you or your loved ones have been affected, know that you are not alone. Our experienced legal team is here to guide you through every step, offering a beacon of hope in these trying times. For more information or to schedule a free consultation, visit our website or contact us directly. Together, let's fight for the justice you deserve.